Hi everyone, I'm Tommy, and today I'm going to show you how to mount a 7-inch monitor from your roof. This will also be applicable to the 9-inch and the 10-inch monitor. So this is how we do it. First thing is, if your monitor came with a shell, you got to remove the monitor from the shell. To do that, you just push these two things here. Push the little red thing where the red is over there with your thumb. You're not going to break it. Take it out like this, and now you have the monitor right here. Now in this groove that you see here, you're going to take the butterfly mount, and you can take the little square part and mount it in the groove very nicely like this. Slide it in, like here. Circuit there. All right. Sometimes you got to open it up a little bit more so you have a little bit more access to it, like I did here. And then it slides right in. Then you tighten it up. All right, so now you have the regular way to mount it. Now, if you want it upside down, just give it a half a twist open to loosen it up. Flip it around like this, like that, and then just tighten it up again. And there you go, you have it like this. You see how it looks when you're mounting it from your ceiling? That's how it's gonna look. Now you can use the adhesive that's included or the screws, just mount it up and you're good to go. You could even loosen it up over here to change the perspective a little bit. There's a lot of different configurations for it. But that will work for you, and it's a nice, natural way of looking at the backup camera. Thank you, and have a great day.